In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play non-Steam games on Steam Link step by step. To start, make sure your non-Steam game is already installed on your gaming PC. Open the Steam app on that PC. At the top menu, click Games, then choose Add a non-Steam game to my library. Steam will scan for installed software. If you see your game, select it. If it doesn't appear, use the Browse option to point Steam to the game's executable file on your drive. Once selected, click Add Selected Programs. You'll now see that title appear alongside your regular Steam games, which is exactly what Steam Link needs in order to stream it. Next, enable Remote Play so your PC can stream to other devices. Inside Steam, open the Steam menu, go to Settings, and select Remote Play. Turn on Enable Remote Play. This tells Steam to capture your game's video and audio and send it over your local network, while also relaying your controller, keyboard, or mouse input back to the PC. If you're prompted by a firewall or security prompt, allow Steam to communicate on your network. Now launch the Steam Link app on the device where you want to play. This could be a smart TV, a phone, a tablet, or even another computer. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from your device's app store or from the Steam website. For the smoothest experience, keep the Steam Link device and your gaming PC on the same home network. A wired Ethernet connection or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal will reduce lag and stutters. Make sure your gaming PC is awake and Steam is running. When Steam Link opens, it will search for your PC and guide you through connecting. Sign in if prompted, pair your controller if you're using one, and let Steam Link run its quick network test. Once connected, you'll see your Steam library. Find the non-Steam game you added earlier and launch it. From here, it behaves just like a regular Steam title. Your PC does the heavy lifting and your device receives the stream. If the game uses its own launcher or opens extra windows, just give it a moment. You may see a brief switch before gameplay appears. If performance feels off, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router, pausing any large downloads on your network, or connecting your PC via Ethernet. For mouse-heavy games, consider enabling a keyboard and mouse on the Steam Link device or use touch controls if available. That's it. Enjoy playing your non-Steam games through Steam Link anywhere around your home.